Yeah. So now our discussion is there. Another one more things. Okay, na? Yesterday I explained one more thing, guys. What is that parameterize, right? Parameterize. Okay, na? For that two annotation I said, right? I said two annotation. Which one? Request param and path param, right? Path param. Still another. What is that? Request body, response body. We see in that. Okay, na? After then this four methods, this four annotation we seen, right? After then this one, this annotation we seen, right? After then what is that? After then we understand what is that flow and all those things. Okay, na? So till now whatever annotation I wrote in the study session, I explain each and everything. Okay, now but still two more annotation is there, guys, right? Two more annotation is there. Okay, now let's see that these two more annotations also working functionality and all those things. Okay, now so then we will move on what? Then we will move on what? Project implementation. Okay, now then we will move on what? Project implementation and payload and all those things. Okay, guys, in the security concept, whenever in the security, when I will explain security, there I will explain it. Okay, na? Payload, how many type of payload and all those things, how in the payload dynamic data will come. Okay, na? So those, because if we want to work on payload concept, we have need to implement security also, right? And we are not in that position and to understand what is that payload concept. Because of that, I'm not going to explain in the rest module what is that payload concept, but I will explain when I will explain what is that security, right? After then I will explain that one in the security session, security model. Because the same project I'm going to implement these things in the same project, only one project. You people also do the practical on that project only, na? Again and again I'm not going to create the project, guys. Okay, na? So in the Spring Security I will explain what is that payload things. Okay, na? Here I'm not going to explain it. Okay, so now let's discuss it. Okay, na? Let's discuss the next concept. Okay, na? Let's discuss the next concept and we will see that. Okay, na? We will see that which one, at the rate request param and path param. Okay, na? And the rate request param and path param, meaning the meaning is what, guys? Meaning is what, guys? See that. Okay, means primitive. If we want to send the primitive data, right? Primitive data, right? Primitive input. If our API need what is that primitive input, means single input, right? In the project implementation I will give, guys. Okay, na? In the project implementation, just here understand what is that concept. Okay, na? Just understand what concept. Okay, na? Primitive input. Okay, na? For that, what we are going to use it now? What we are going to use it now, guys? Which one? These two annotation, right? So to take the single data, right? To take the single data, what is that? At the rate request param and at the rate path param. But I said that what is that? Which one is good now, guys? Which one is good now, guys? This one only, path parameter only. By default, what is that? Our web application using what is that? Request parameter only, right? So now fine, guys. Okay, come here. So request parameter, if we want to apply what is that request parameter, right? Request parameter, what is that? Request param annotation we will take, right? So request param annotation we will take. Request param. Okay, na? So request param means what is that? How we can send the data, guys? How we can send the data, guys? In the url question mark, right? In the url question mark, after then what is that? After then what is that? Think about that. id equal to 10, like this. Okay, na? This is nothing but what is that? This is nothing but what? This is nothing but what is that, guys? Query parameter, right? Query parameter. Okay, na? If after then if multiple data we send, like name also, right? Name also, then what is that? Just Ravi, right? Like this we are sending. Okay, na? But every data is going in the which format, guys? String only. In the front controller string format only, right? Every data is going in the string format only. Okay, so now fine, guys. Okay, na? So now fine. So by default the string request parameter format is what, guys? uh, what guys, string. Okay, so after then what is that, one more is there, one more is there to read the primitive data. What is that, one more annotation we can use it, right? Which one annotation means, but here what is that, these things, what is that, we, no mandatory, no mandatory, but in the, whenever we are taking the path parameter, everything is the mandatory guys, okay na? So for that what annotation is there guys, what annotation is there, path variable, path variable annotation is there, right? Path variable annotation is there. Inside that, how we are sending the data guys, url slash what is that, slash what is that, path plus what is that, variable 1, variable 1, variable 2, right? Variable 2, right? Like this we are sending the data or not? Okay, so but the path variable is two type guys, okay na? Path variable is a two type, which what is that, static path variable, and what is that, dynamic path variable, right? Static path variable, and what is that, dynamic path variable. Static path variable means everything, right? Like url plus what is that, url plus what is that, path plus what is that, variable 1, variable 1, and variable 2, right? But sometime what is that, variable 2, but sometime what is that, we need what is that, dynamic data also guys, right? Dynamic data also. So for that we are using what is that, in the path variable, dynamic to read the dynamic data. How url slash what is that, path, path plus what is that, variable 1, variable 1. And if we want variable dynamic to represent the dynamic, just I'm sending the id also, right? Id also. After then what is that, variable 3, right? Like this means we are sending the dynamic data, right? Dynamic data, angular, whenever we will develop the angular client, at the time I will use what is that, path one, path variable only, right? Path variable only. So okay, fine now. Okay, so fine now, okay na? So path variable means to read the primitive data in the controller, right? To read the primitive data in the controller guys, we are using what is that, what is that, this we can read using what is that, request parameter, and what is that, we can able to read as a path variable also, right? Path variable, but the path variable to reading the data, okay na? Path variable is a good approach in the restful services, okay na? So we can able to differentiate easily one method to another method. Okay, so now fine guys. Okay, so let's see that what is the syntax, okay na? What is the syntax? Okay, so if we want to read, like read the data, right, in the path variable, okay na? So at the rate path param, path param, right? Path param, okay na? Path param, path param, right? We are passing that what is that, key inside that. After then what is that, think about that data local. For that local variable we are using what is that, integer, integer id, right? This is the syntax, okay na? For that path parameter, right? Path parameter, okay na? But if you want to read the path variable, same, right? Path, sorry guys, this is not path, this is the request, okay na? This one is the path variable. Okay, this one is the path variable, okay na? So here also what we will do now, we will pass the key. Think about that, this is the integer id, okay na? These things, like that we are reading the data, right? This is the, we are reading the data inside what, controller, okay na? Inside that controller, okay? So don't worry why I'm explaining this one. When I will implement the project at the time, you people will got the point, okay na? You people will got the point, okay guys? So let's move on, okay na? Let's move on and we will see that, okay na? We will see that the things as a practical only, okay? We will see these things as a practically, okay? So fine, okay, so fine now, okay na? So let's see that things as a practical. After then we will implement one mini project. Okay na, after then we will implement mini project. Okay na. So do the practical on this application, guys. Okay na. So okay, one more time I'm saying that. Okay na, payload concept I will not explain here. Okay na, in the Spring Security, when I will explain Spring Security, at the time what is the payload, how many type of payload, and how we can load the data, and what is the okay payload, what is the error payload, and all those things I will explain there. Because to explain those concepts I have need to implement in my application what is that security also. Until unless if I'm not implement in my application security concept, I can't able to explain. If I explain also, right, you people will not understand, maybe understand or maybe not understand. Okay na. So please give me the time. Till now I'm not completing Spring Security. Okay na. And work on the same project only, guys. Okay na. In the Spring Security also I will work on the same project only. Okay. So after ending of spring all module, right, this application will become what is that, this project will become what, one is mini, one good mini project. Okay na, with the security, with the rest, with the MVC, with the ORM, all concept we will use in this application. Okay na, in this application. So work on this application. Okay, use the YouTube, utilize our YouTube video and all those things. Okay na, work on this mini project. Okay, it will helpful for you people only. Okay na, because of that I'm saying, please do the practical on this mini project, this mini project again and again. Okay na, again and again every module I'm not going to what is that, uh, configure all those things. Okay na, ORM configuration, MVC configuration, again and again it will take too much time. Okay na, just I'm taking Saturday Sunday session, and even within in every Saturday Sunday if I do the every time what is that configuration only, then when I will explain next module, next things only. Okay na. So please work on this project. Okay, so now fine guys. Okay, let's move on, let's move on. Okay na, let's move on. Okay, fine. Now, so next, our next concept is what is that, how we will send the one primitive data only, right? We will send the primitive data in the URL only, and our what is that, our API will accept it. Okay na, our API will accept it, that data. Okay, so fine, what is that, come here. Okay, so one method I will write for to accepting what is that query parameter, and one method I will write to accept what is that, path variable. Okay na, I'm going to write two methods. Okay na, I'm going to write what is that, two methods. Okay, so let's write it. Okay, let's write it and we will see that. Okay, so how our API will read the primitive data, guys. Okay na. So now image diagram also you people want, okay, no problem. Okay na. So what is that, our scenario is what is that, consumer will send the two data, right? Consumer will send the two data, like think about that, what is that, what is that, username. Okay na, take the username, user yeah, user and password, pwd. These two things our consumer will send it, right? Consumer will send and our API will read it. Okay na, our API will read these two data. Okay, so using how many way, how many, first two way we will read it, this data. Okay na, two way we will read it. First one is what is that, first one request param, another one is what is that, path variable, path variable, right? Two way we will read this one. Okay na, two way we will read this one, and this one is what is that, rest controller, rest controller. Okay na, so rest controller based on this is our scenario. Okay na, so come here, come inside the application, guys. Okay, so for that I'm going to create one more method, right? For that I'm going to create one more method. What is that, public request entity, right? Public request entity, just I'm taking what is that, string what is that, get user, right? User. Okay, fine. Now everything I'm going to complete it. Now first null. Okay na, null. Okay na, which kind of request we will make it, guys? Which kind of request we will make it now? Okay, so just I'm going to make it a get type only. Okay na, just I'm going to make the get type only. Okay na, get at the rate, what is that, at the rate get mapping, right? Get mapping, inside that just I'm writing what is that, find. Okay na. Fine. Okay, guys, fine. Now this is the, but what is that? We have need to send the username and password also, right? Password also. For that, what I'm going to do now? Request at the rate request. What is that? Request param, right? Request param. Inside that, what I'm going to do now, guys? User. I'm taking the user and string. String. What is that? Username, right? Username. Okay, fine now. Okay, another one is what, another one more. Okay na, at the rate, what is that, request, what is that, path. Okay na, after then what is that, pwd. Okay na, this one also, what is that, string, what is that, user pwd. Okay, so fine guys. Okay na, this is the two argument, right? This is the two argument I'm sending from the end user. Okay, so now what is that, string body, I'm taking the data. Okay na, so this is the username. Okay na, this is the username. What is that, local variable username. Okay, and just here. Okay, after then what is that, okay fine guys. Now what is that, this is the password pwd I'm taking. Okay, fine. Now what is that, what is the local variable I taken, pwd. Okay, copy this one, now paste it. Okay, fine guys. So after then what we will do now, okay fine, request sorry, response entity, string, what is that, res equal to, what is that, a new response entity, right? Response entity. Okay, fine guys, now fine. So what is that, what we will pass, body, after then http status. Okay, 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 fine, right? So whenever we are taking the request param, which kind of how we will make the request, guys, how we will make the request, using query parameter, right? Using query parameter, where the query parameter I explained already, right? This is the syntax of what is that, query parameter, right? Like this we will make the request. Okay na, so no, let's write one more method, right? Let's write one more method, and at the same time we will make, what is that, path parameter. We will use the path parameter. Okay na, we will use the path parameter also. Okay, so come here. Okay na, so come here. Okay na, let's write it. Okay, let's write it. What is that, one more. Okay na, public, what is that, public request entity, right? Request entity, just I'm taking, what is that, return generic type string, get user path. Okay, inside that what we will do now, guys, again. Okay na, I'm making the request as what is that, get only, get mapping. Okay na, inside that what is that, I'm taking the mm, find path, just I'm writing path only. Okay na, find path. Okay, so fine now guys. Yeah, fine. So now what is that, here I'm returning return null. Okay, so fine now. Okay guys, so come here. Okay now, here what we decided, we will use the path parameter. Okay now, we are going to send the data as a path parameter, right? Path parameter. So here we will take, what is that, data, right? Data, just I decided data. After then what is the dynamic data also I will send. What is that, what we are deciding now, guys? What we are deciding now, just think about that. code, right? Code. Another one is what is that? Version also, right? Version. Okay, na? Another one is what is that? Version. Another one is what? Version. These two data will come as a dynamic, right? These two data will come as what? Dynamic in the path variable, right? So now fine. Okay, so this is our scenario. Okay, na? So fine now, guys. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's move on and we will see that at the rate. What is that? Another one is what is that? At the rate. What is that? Path variable, right? Path variable. Inside that, what we will do now, guys? What we will do now? Inside that, what we will do now? We will pass this code, right? With this, we will pass this code inside this one. Okay, inside. Oh, sorry. Inside this one, we will pass it. Okay, na? So what is that? String. String. What is that? Code. Okay. So another one more, right? One more version also, right? At the rate. What is that? Path variable, right? Path variable. Again, what is that? Inside that argument, what we version also, right? Version also. Okay, just I'm taking what is that? String. What is that? Version. Okay, now this is that, these two inputs we will take it. Okay, now we will take it. Okay, fine now, guys. Okay, now fine. So okay, so let's write the logic. Okay, now inside that, what is that? String body, right? String body. This is the API. That's it. Okay, now this is the information. Okay, now here what we will do now? Here code is there, right? Copy this one, paste it here. After then another one more, right? And one more, right? What is that? What is that? A version. Version is there, right? Inside that version, take the local variable version. Okay, now paste it here. Okay, fine. The thing is completed, guys. Okay, so now come here. Okay, now next what we will do now? Response entity string. What is that? Response are equal to new response entity, right? Inside that, what we will do now? We will pass this body, right? We will pass this body. Okay, so fine now. Fine. Another one is what is that? HTTP status code. Okay, na? HTTP status code. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine now. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, so now what we will do now? Just return this object. Okay, now return the object. Okay, so fine, guys. Now our API is ready now. Okay, now so let's make the request. Okay, now let's make the request, guys. Okay, so let's make the request and we will see that result. How? Just observe the query parameter, right? Just observe the parameter, guys. Just observe the parameter. We are sending the primitive data from the end user.
Sir,
Okay.
get user return null, sir. In get user, res return.
Oh yeah, fine. Thank you so much. Okay, so now fine. Okay, thank you.
Returning request HTTP.
Hmm?
You are taking a response HTTP.
Mm-hmm. Mismatch cannot convert from response entity string.
Return type, you put that request entity, Ravi. Return
Yes,
type.
request,
Oh,
request and
yeah, yeah.
response and
Sorry.
above method also same get user method
Yes,
also.
yes, both places. Yeah, I got it. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, now let's run the application. Yes. Now copy this one. Come to browser. Get type only. We can make the get type request, right? We can make the get type request from the browser also. Okay, fine. So now what is that? MVC, right? MVCs. Okay. Now slash. What is that? What is the find, right?
Find.
Hmm. Yeah. Find is there, right? Here, what is that? Find. Okay. Here what is that? Find is there. Which one? Okay, see here find is there. Okay na, after then user is there, user, and another one is what is that? PWD, right? User and PWD. Okay, now question mark, because we are sending the query parameter, right? Query parameter question mark. Okay na, what is that? Yeah, user equal to what is that? Just I'm taking my name only, Ravi. After then and okay. So now another one is what? Another one is what, guys? See that? Okay na, another one is what? PWD, right? PWD. Okay,
PWD.
yes. So now take the PWD equal to just what I'm taking, 1234 at the rate something. Okay, at the rate. Now make the request it. Yeah, see, this is the username Ravi, this is the password 123. We are getting the result, right? But what is the query parameter, right? We are using the query parameter. Okay na, so but whatever things we are specifying, those data we are sending now. Okay, no, so no, I want to execute our this API, right? Which API? Path parameter, right? Path parameter, path variable parameter, right? So but we have need to send the dynamic data also from the what is that? We will send the dynamic data. Okay na, so from the browser. Okay, so for that what we will do now? What is that? Data is there, right? Till now the things is here, same. Here dynamic data we will send it. Okay na, so come here. What is that? Code and version is there na, code and version is there. So what we will do now? Here slash. Okay na, slash slash what is that? Data. After then what is that? Data. Okay na, so what is that? Another one is what is that? Data. After in code, right? Just write the code. What is the code? Anything. Okay na, just 1234. Okay na, version 1.2. Okay na, 1.2. Now enter it. See that API means this is nothing but what is that? Path parameter. This data is going to dynamic, guys. Okay na, this data is going to dynamic, and inside that REST API we are reading this data as a dynamic in the what is that? Path parameter. Okay na, in the path parameter. Okay na, so and this is the detail of API 1234 and version is 1.5, right? 1234 and version is 1.5. Okay na, like this we are reading the primitive data, right? Primitive data inside our controller. Okay na, inside our controller. Okay, so now from here onward I'm going to perform these operations in what is that? Project, guys. Okay na, the last project again I'm going to explain workflow and all those things. Okay na, concentrate on that project, concentrate on that project. And yes. Okay, now concentrate on that project, last project. Okay, now I'm going to explain what is that code. I will explain. Okay, now after then working functionality, DFD image I will create it here, guys. Okay, now so but again I'm not going to what is that? Implement this project, because if I implement again, right, the same application, right, here I will increase just REST controller, except that DAO layer. Inside the DAO layer these methods are there, right? I will use these things only. Okay now, from the database I will expose the data, I will delete the data, and I will add the data. All those things operation I'm going to explain it here. Are you ready on you means you people are ready to work on the same project, or really need to create a new project, guys? Okay na, let me know that. Use the chat box. This one is fine na? Krishna, new one, same. Krishna, one person. Okay, create a new another one. What about others, guys? Use the use everyone chat box. You use everyone chat box. Based on your decision only, I will take the decision, guys. Okay na? Use the everyone chat box. Who is the participated? Everyone use the chat box. I want to see the messages from your side. Okay, what you people want? What about others? What about others? What about others? New one, huh? New one will take much time, yeah. More response got to create a new one, right? If I create new one, again I need to develop. Hmm. Okay. What I can take the decision, because I got more messages to create new one. Okay na, the people don't know. If I create the new one only by creating the
Yeah.
environment only, it will take much time. How when I will explain other things?
Environment and all methods, it takes a lot of time.
It will take lots of time. Okay na, and today
Yeah.
Sunday, and if what I can do, guys, listen. Okay na, already videos are there about this project. Okay na, in Spring MVC I said, right, last video 3 to 4 videos is there. Okay na, please watch it. Okay na, if I create again, right, by doing the setup only, it will take time. Okay na, you people will become tired. And when I will explain the concept. So okay na, already we have the project, guys. Okay na, so I will give the DFD, whatever work I will do it, right? Okay na, whatever I will create the DFD. Okay na, front of you people. Okay na, but setup environment will take much time, because this is the project. Okay na, this is the project, and ORM property only take much time. Okay, to configure ORM property, after then it's too much it will take too much time, friend. Okay na, so don't give this burden for me. Okay na, so because of that I intimated yesterday only. Please watch 3 to 4 video last Spring MBC 3 to 4 video, because there I created mini project. Okay na, there I created mini project. Here I'm going to implement in the controller only. I will write it. Okay, now I will write the things. Okay, so for that, okay, let's understand DFD first. DFD, let's understand DFD. Based on that DFD, we will work on that, right? We will work on that. Okay, now we will work on that. Okay, what I can say, Ayodele, I think he attended our that Spring MBC full session, but still he also need to create new project only, right? If you not do practical, right? If multiple time also if I create the project, then still the things will look like new only. Okay, Ayodele, please do the practical. right? Who is the new in the session? For that person, if that people is saying that okay, no need to create the new project, that is the good. But who already attended last session, if that person is saying that, right, then really this is a very bad, okay na, not